Hi William, this is the video of the engine I'm struggling to get started. I've got a negative straight off the battery, going to a negative block that I've created. The main power supply coming in constant. I've called it common here. That's basically in and out, and the yellow and black wire is constantly fed through a 5 amp fuse, and then I've got a switch wire which is this one for the fuel pump and ignition. So basically that one, which is switching between the two, fused. I've got from the fuse box 30 amp fused supply, which goes directly to the ECU. I've got the fuel pump relay with the small wire, data wire going back to the ECU. Wire 86 battery feed from the fused feed. Got 87, which is to the fuel pump. Yeah, which goes to the fuel pump. And that's it basically. So this wire doesn't come live until this is pressed. So if I press this, just creates continuity between the two wires, and obviously then this one's lit up, which is to start. But I've been trying for a while, I just can't seem to start it. Any help would be appreciated. Sorry for being a pain.